Did Nate Sitwaba get a BBL? This is the question that the social media users are asking themselves. And I'm like, you guys, you're like being blind. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. My name is Bonso if you're new here. Guys, Nate is in Dubai for holidays, and let me tell you something. One thing about Nate is that her face card is lethal, my dear, like very lethal. Her body type, it's different, it's not what you will normally see in South Africa, but I think many women have that body type. So now on social media, there's a picture of her wearing a bikini. I won't share it here, I swear. If I do, I'll cover it up because of the YouTube rules. But otherwise, I feel like that picture, it's just good editing there and there to look like she is like has a thin waist and curvaceous body. Otherwise, there's no BBL there, guys. I feel like not everybody is into BBL and stuff because let's just be honest, the bumps of the BBL, I'd rather be sharper than having those bumps. They look like diaper, a huge diaper with thin legs, like. Oh, sorry, that's just my opinion. I'm just saying, like, they don't look good. So, eh, what I'm seeing from Nate is that it's just a good editing there and there because there's other pictures of her that she looks like normal Nate that we know. We know her body from Big Brother Mzansi. She is not the curvaceous lady. So, yeah, I'm just saying that there's no BBL there. People are just being noisy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one.